And we made it out to Knott's Berry Farm, and it's already Christmas time here, so that's exciting. Haven't been here in probably at least 10 years. It's been a very long time. Just opened. There's not a whole lot of people here right now. There was a decent line when we first drove by. This isn't too bad, so hey, this should be fun. One of these for lunch today, not sure what. Definitely want to try the chili relleno spring rolls. Sounds awesome. This is one of the cool things about Knott's is there's just all this history and just like old stuff, but all these cool painted windows. It's like old medicines, I guess. That just looks like candy over there. I don't know. Universal perfume, Florida water. Yeah. Bunch of remedies for you.
I used to say Bulldogs whenever.
This 8x zoom on this camera is crazy. multi-story like building or something over here. It's kind of like a fun house. I can't really remember exactly. There might be old videos online. I have to find it. I remember it being super cool though.
Now look, I don't want to see this in a court of law mark exhibit A, alright?
You got it.
This is for home use only.
Home use only.
Perhaps someday posted on the internet.
Right.
Alright.
Says mild thrill ride. I think that's a little generous. I mean, we were robbed, kinda, so that was kind of thrilling, right? So yeah, I just got back. Had an awesome time at Knott's Berry Farm today. Yeah, I haven't been there in legitimately like 10 years. It's been a long time. I had a wonderful time. I went with the family today, mom, brother, sister. It was really a lot of fun. I really didn't ride anything. Just wanted to go out and just, it was about vibes today. That's it. Vibes and snacks and food. It was so good. We did ride the train, as you saw there, like a little stick 'em up. That was a lot of fun. But yeah, just got a season pass for Knott's, so definitely be having more videos there over the next year or so. Definitely film a little bit more in the future, just filling it out still and, getting used to doing this again. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. So anyways, stick around for all that. It'll be a good time. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.